In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Sendwave account with this simple step-by-step guide. Setting up an account on Sendwave is quick and easy. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, open your device and locate the Sendwave app. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download it from your app store. It's available for both iOS and Android, so you're covered regardless of your device. Once you've installed the app, open it up and you'll be greeted with the welcome screen. This is your gateway to seamless money transfers, so let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to do is enter your full name. It's important to use your legal name to avoid any identity verification issues later on. Following that, you'll be asked to input your email address. Make sure it's a valid and active email, as Sendwave will use this to communicate with you and for account verification purposes. Next, key in your phone number. This not only helps with account security, but is also crucial for verifying your identity. Don't forget to select your country from the drop-down menu. This will ensure that your account is set up correctly based on your location. After you've filled in all your information, go ahead and click on the Sign Up button. This will redirect you to the next stage, which is all about verifying your mobile number. You'll receive a text message containing a verification code. Simply enter this code in the app when prompted. If you don't receive the code immediately, be patient and check to make sure you've entered the correct number before requesting a new code. Once your mobile number is verified, you'll need to create a PIN. This is an important security step, so choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Enter your desired PIN, and then you'll be prompted to re-enter it to confirm. It's good practice to avoid using simple sequences like 1, 2, 34 or repeated numbers for added security. After you've confirmed your PIN by re-entering it, go ahead and click on the Create PIN button. This is the final step to securing your Sendwave account, and just like that, your account is created. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your Sendwave account, opening up a world of easy and quick money transfers. Now, take a moment to explore the app interface and familiarize yourself with its features. Remember, Sendwave makes it easy to send money without the usual steep fees, making it a great option for affordable international transfers. If you have any questions or run into issues, Sendwave's customer service is friendly and ready to assist. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy sending.